Hey guys, Apple has officially released today iOS 17.5.1. This is an emergency software update that it is recommended for all iPhones and iPad users to install on their devices. Now, iOS 17.5 was just released a week ago, and today we get 17.5.1 for the iPhone and the iPad. Now, why would Apple release an emergency software update for these devices? Well, let me talk about that here in today's video because there's a lot of questions behind this software update. So the software was approximately 300 megabytes. So it is a small file, it is a small download. You can go into your iPhone today or iPad, no beta testing. This is officially out for everyone. You can go into general, go into software update, and iOS 17.5.1 should be available for you to download. And it is recommended for everyone to do so because this software update addresses a bug within iOS 17.5 that was causing old photos to reappear in the photo library. As you can see right here, according to the release notes directly from Apple, this update provides bug fixes and addresses a rare issue where photos that experience database corruption could reappear in the photo library even after they were deleted, as you can see right there. So Apple basically confirming that old pictures could reappear on iPhones and iPads even after they were deleted if you update to 17.5. Now, not everyone experienced this issue. I did not experience this issue. A lot of iPhone users and iPad users did. So it is recommended for everyone to download iOS 17.5.1 to prevent this from happening. Obviously, you don't want to end up selling a device and then later down the road someone gets your pictures or someone gets your videos by updating to iOS 17.5. I'm pretty sure that Apple will stop signing 17.5 right after the release of 17.5.1 to prevent this bug from continuing to occur. Now, the question is, why was this happening? There is not an official statement as of right now directly from Apple, not yet. I'll update you guys if Apple provides an official statement, but they're saying that the photos were reappearing, as you can see right there. Right there it says photos that experience database corruption could reappear in the photo library even when they were deleted. So this is a major concern, and I think Apple needs to make a statement in regards to why this was happening. Now, I've heard from users that photos that were deleted years ago would reappear after updating to 17.5. So that is kind of a weird thing that's happening here with iOS 17.5. So 17.5.1 should address that issue. There is the build number 21F90, and hopefully Apple will provide additional details and an official statement as into why this is happening. Make sure to stay tuned here to the channel, but my recommendation is everyone should update to iOS 17.5.1 and iPadOS 17.5.1 today. Thank you for watching this quick one, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.